So, Jesus, here's the question that you asked. If after this explanation you still want more help, then we could definitely meet on Zoom. So this says the limit as x approaches 0, it exists. True or false? So the idea with the limit is, right here is when x equals 0. The idea is you follow the function from the left and you'll end up right here at the origin. Then you also have to follow it on the right side and you're going to end up at the same place at the origin. So that means that the limit does exist, and right here the y value is 0. So that means that this is true. The limit as x approaches 0 does exist. The left side, the right side, they both take you to the same place. This one says, does the answer equal 0? So this is not saying that if you plug in 0, you're going to get the y value of 0. The limit is just saying, again, as you go from the left, you follow the function, you get right there to y equals 0. On the right side, you follow it, you get to y equals 0. So that means this part is true. Does the limit as x approaches 0 equal a -1? Well, I already just said that it equals 0. That's true, so this must be false. And right here, the function doesn't even, there is no function right there. So that is false. What's next? The limit as x approaches 1. Well, this one, if you're on the left side of 1 and you follow the function, then you're going to go down here, and that's a y value of -1. On the right side, you follow the function until you get to where x is a 1, and on this side it says y equals a 1. Since these two do not match, that means the limit does not exist. So, as x approaches 1, is the answer 1? No, that's not correct. As x approaches 1, does it equal 0? No, that's not correct. In fact, it does not exist. So for this graph, from -1 till 2, the limit exists all through here, all through here, all through here. The only place it doesn't exist is x equals 1. So those two don't match. Also, if they said, what about at 2? This also, the limit would not exist. So if they said the limit as x approaches 2 equals, and they put whatever, that would be false. Because on the left side, it takes you here, here, here to where y equals 0. The right side doesn't even exist. So if they said it equals whatever they say, that's going to be false at x equals 2. Now let me finish this question. Does the limit exist at every point between -1 and 1? Yeah, between -1 and 1, all of this is continuous, and then there's a little open circle right there, but it doesn't matter because the left side and the right side take you to the same place. Now, one important thing is they have the round parentheses. So they're talking about between -1 and +1, and the answer is yes. If they would have put, am I on the screen? If they would have put square brackets, then the answer would be false. But since they put the round parentheses, then it's true.